everybody? Good morning. How are you guys doing today? I don't know why my glow shift gauges always do this. It's kind of very frustrating. But today, we're kind of doing something for you. Well, it's always for you, I guess, but we're kind of doing something a little like different for you. I decided that it was finally time for me to invest some money back into the channel. Because, you know, why not? I love making videos. I love doing this stuff for you guys. So today we are going to go see if we can find a new camera. So I'm gonna get an actual camera, not a GoPro. I'll keep my GoPro for doing like suction cup stuff on the outside of the vehicle and other like working on trucks and stuff. But I plan on going to get an actual camera to vlog with and a microphone, so that way wind noise isn't really a thing anymore. So that's what's on the plate for today. We're gonna make a few stops, but first, as you guys know, I need some Dunkin' Donuts in my life. And I just want you guys to know that like I spend way too much money on Dunkin'. I was talking to my friend about it this morning. It's a lot of money, like probably like $2 grand a year almost. But anywho, who really gives a shit? I'm going to go to Dunkin'. I'm going to go to the store, the Marine Corps Exchange on base. They usually have good prices, but usually have nothing that you want, so it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna take a trip over there, go see if they have what I'm looking for as far as the camera goes. And yeah, if not, we're going to Best Buy. So let's go. So as you guys may know, I have two trucks. I do have a daily, which you saw if you watched yesterday's or 2 days ago, or the last video, I should say, whenever I get to posting it, or posting this one, I guess. It did have a check engine light for the glow plug module, and the RV is still hooked up to it. Therefore, I have not been driving it for the last 2 days, which is fine. I kind of miss driving this thing. I don't usually daily it, but it is, it's fun. It's fun to drive. I enjoy it. I usually drive it on the weekends, you know, just that way it's something fun for the weekend, something fun to cruise around and get some looks and all that stuff, and save some money. So, but we're driving it now. This is my, if you guys are new to the channel, I don't really know. Recently, I've just been posting videos about the LB7 motor rebuild. This is my compound turbo, solid axle swap, ZF6 manual. See, ready? Probably looks terrible on camera, but got a little shifter action. I only have two hands, you know. But it's running SDP twin turbo or compound turbo setup S475 over stock. It is a motor that I rebuilt myself with stock internals. ZF6 swap done by me with the South Bend dual disc street clutch, good for like 650 horsepower. And it is running a Dodge Dana 60 axle in the front, 4-linked by me. So if you're new here, there's probably crazy wind noise. I'm gonna roll my window up. I don't have AC in this truck because I took it off and I have never put it back together yet. But yeah, it's fun. It runs like 60 pounds of boost or something, stock fuel. It's just fun. I try to keep the motor together. So anyways, enough jabbering. I'm gonna go and I'll see you at Dunkin'. Hey. Probably gonna get so many weird looks here because it's like a Marine Corps base, so it's kind of like all professional and stuff. But anyways, it's kind of what your motivating Marine Corps exchange looks like. You know, it's kind of, it's like a superstore on base kind of. They have commissary too for food, but anyways, we got Dunkin', which most of California doesn't have. So, but anyways, I'm gonna run in here, grab coffee. I'm gonna go see if I can find the camera I'm looking for, and we'll see how it goes. I'm lost in the frying pans. I don't come to this one often, so I don't know where the electronics are. Oh, we got some bullets now. Second charm's the time, huh? Yeah. Second time's a charm, right? Best Buy. See if I can run over here. Hopefully they have what I'm looking for. Oh well. If not, I'm probably not gonna get it. Maybe I'll order it, I don't know. All right, they had everything I wanted. So, we're gonna do a little digging here, just to, we'll go over, well, maybe not. They like sealed this bag shut. Now I'm ripping everything. All right, so the camera of choice, it's used by most vloggers on YouTube, I guess. So I've been wanting one for a while. I just haven't really like committed to buying one because, well, they're not cheap, and yeah, but I figured it was time to, you know, take that next step. So we have a Canon G7X Mark II camera. It's got the screen that flips up on the back. That way I can actually see what I'm filming. That's one of the reasons I wanted it, is because I feel like a lot of times I'm like looking all over the place, like trying to find my face. So we have the Canon G7X for the camera. I did get another tripod. I had one of these before, and it was a little bit smaller one. I ended up like cracking, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right in here where these like, I guess, balls go in, it started to crack and it got really loose and kind of hard to use. So I got a little bit bigger one. I did get a 128 gigabyte card. I'm really bad at talking today. Oops, there we go. So this has some capacity. That's a lot. I don't really care, but I wanted to get a better card for I guess this 150 megabyte speed, so it makes it easier to process and render and all that stuff. I don't know, they probably just sold me a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. And I got this really sick cleaning pen. Just kidding, I only got this because if you get 3 accessories for a camera, you get 25% off the accessories. So I got most of the stuff, pretty good deal. So actually I came out spending less money today than I anticipated spending on just the camera. It was actually on sale, I guess, so pretty stoked about that. Cool that Best Buy kind of hooked it up and had a sale going, so good day to go. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end that one here, just that way you guys can see kind of the new stuff I got. I'm going to maybe I'll unbox this and throw it in the video. You know what, let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. We got a little bit of warranty stuff, all this good stuff. Owner's manual, who needs that? More little boxes and stuff. Probably a charger. And dun da da. This is really hard to do one-handed. I'm gonna put you in my armpit here and see if I can't film it. So we have the new Canon G7X. Not the new one, there's like a Mark III now, but as you can see, the screen flips up. That way you can kind of pay attention to what you're doing. And yeah, I have no idea how any of this works or anything about this, so I will probably make a few crappy videos at first. But this thing does all sorts of cool stuff. It like extends out and everything. Whoa, this is way too fancy. I'm coming off a GoPro, guys, so like I said, I'll get this set up. Next video you'll see we'll probably be using this whole little setup here, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Kind of taking that next step into the YouTube game, I guess. Finally upgrading. I know some of the big YouTubers use, some are still using GoPros, like Street Speed or whatever. For some of the stuff I film, I know you guys have complained about video quality, and I love the Hero 7 Black that I'm using right now, but I feel like sometimes with the auto stable lens, it shakes sometimes and makes some of the content really shaky or kind of like all over the place. I've noticed that in some videos and some other videos where people are using the same camera. Trying to avoid that. Now I'm gonna keep the man, I cannot talk today. I'm gonna keep the GoPro for filming like dirty work on the truck, so like doing like motors and stuff where, you know, I'm really filthy and kind of in there, and I'm gonna use it for like suction cup mounts on the outside of the truck and, you know, trips to Mexico and all that stuff. So that'll become in the future. I'll keep it for, you know, just to have, just as a backup. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I hope you guys are excited about this. I am super pumped because I want to start putting some of the money back into the channel and try to make better content for you guys. So that's kind of the ultimate goal. Hopefully it'll pay for itself eventually, who knows. But yeah, gotta spend money to make money, right? So that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful day, and keep having a good week, and we'll see you in a few days. I'm out.